Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together.
We are at the Benolim beach and it's sunset time. It's another beautiful beach of South Goa and the sun is just setting. We are at the right time to watch the sunset on Benolim beach. Benolim beach is another famous beach of South Goa. I remember coming to this beach in 2018 and this beach was practically empty and we felt that it was a private beach, but today it is very crowded. You can see there are a lot of shacks here. I remember having dinner in one of the shacks here with live music and it was wonderful. So let me show you the beach shacks. It used to be more lively before COVID and you can see a lot of fishing boats here. A lot of fishing is done in this area. There is a fisherman's village nearby, I think Benolim village. and you can also enjoy your favorite book in the reading corner, as well as a game of table tennis. And the next time we come here, I hope we can enjoy the pool and the full enjoyment hoga, but still we had a wonderful time. Today is our last day at Goa. मज़ा बहुत आया, but अब वापस तो जाना ही है. Our road trip doesn't end here, but our Goa trip ends for the time being. Maybe in a few days we'll again plan another trip and again come back to Hathi Mahal. बहुत enjoy किया हमने यहाँ पे 1 week, and even though because of COVID बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ खुली नहीं है, बट बहुत कम टूरिस्ट होने के कारण काफ़ी खाली था और हमें ज़्यादा डर नहीं लग रहा था. एंड वी हैड अ नाइस टाइम ऑन द बीचेस, बिकॉज चर्चेस वगैरह अभी खुले नहीं हैं. मे बी नेक्स्ट मंथ दे विल ओपन, बट बीचेस को हमने बहुत इन्जॉय किया. देयर वाज नो क्राउड एट ऑल. वी हैड आवर सनराइज एंड सनसेट ट्रिप्स. वी हैड a lot to do in this resort. So overall it was a wonderful trip. Relaxation, घूमना फिरना और एक शांत माहौल जो आपको यूजुअली गोवा में नहीं मिलता. तो अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं गोवा आने के लिए अभी, तो ज़रूर प्लान बनाइए. यहाँ की इकोनॉमी बहुत डिपेंड करती है टूरिस्ट पे, और देख के आज खुशी भी हो रही थी कि बीच शैक्स वगैरह भी खुल रहे हैं और थोड़े दिन में यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट आने लगेंगे. I think we can help the economy of this place and the people are wonderful here. So अगर आप आना चाहें ज़रूर आइए, पर हाँ, अपनी आपको बचा के रखना आपके हाथ में है. तो ऐसा ही कोशिश करिएगा कि ज़्यादा सोशलाइज़ ना करें, ज़्यादा लोगों से नहीं मिलें, और तो किसी ऐसी जगह में रहिएगा जहाँ पे आप सेफ़ रह सकें, जहाँ पे सैनिटाइजेशन बहुत अच्छे से होता हो.
Do not miss my next vlog, in which I'll tell you what all places are open in Goa and is this the right time to visit Goa.
So till we meet again, keep enjoying, keep smiling and be happy in life.